Hello, guys. As I promised, recently I showed you how to quickly set up a basic 3D environment with fly mode functionality. In this video, I want to show you that you don't always need to drive deep into complex uh, flight physics to create a functional drone controller. It might not be a high-end simulator, but it's a solid baseline that looks and feels totally playable. And here is the plan. Modeling primitive drone using simple mesh shapes. As you can see here, it's just primitive objects, nothing special. Attaching it to the camera, as you can see. Adding smooth camera movement. You can see different new variables in this script. Adding drifting effects, inertia during movement, and adding tilts and leans. So it's it's just modification previous code, but much complex. Yes, but it's enough, not real controller, drone controller. But let's look how it works. As you can see, this player still movement as supposed. Let's turn on our fly mode. Yep, we can rotate. Yes, it's not very natural right now, but we can change it in future. Let's move. It's you can see like drifting, like camera movement. If we add sounds or something like that, it probably looks like drone controller. Some adjustments and it's, I think it looks very good. What do you think? The bottom line without complex code or tedious breakdown of how four propeller physics work, we've created a functional FPV drone controller. So I hope this video was useful to you. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.